everybody, it's Julie from A Beautiful Horizon, and today I'm doing an unboxing. This is part of the series that we're doing this year that is a secret channel gift swap, and this is something I've been participating all year long, and it's a few different ladies who have just been having fun encouraging one another in our YouTube journeys and journeys in life, and so each month we send each other a gift. This month we're actually doing a double gift video because last month there was a hurricane that came through, and so we decided not to send a gift that month and to put off till this month. So this was put together by Ingrid from Mommy and Mia Homeschool Chronicles, which is part of the Facebook collaborators group on YouTube. I will leave all the links in the description box for the group and her page, as well as the playlist so you can see everybody's videos. And also I'm going to have some like life update stuff at the end of this video. If you're not interested in that, don't worry about watching it. But if you're wondering why I haven't been posting as often recently, I thought I would just kind of update you on what's going on in my life and what I'm thinking about for my channel for next year and all that kind of stuff. Okay, so I was sent two items. One is a card and one is an item, so I thought I would go ahead and open the card first. I don't know if you can see it, but it says Everyday Grace right here. Really pretty font. I'm setting up a special birthday prayer just for you, and it's got some cupcakes and sprinkles because my birthday was in September. It's just like a regular prayer, only this one has gobs of frosting and sprinkles on top. Have a blessed birthday. Happy birthday, Julie. Hope it's the best ever. Your secret channel. Thank you. It actually was the best ever. I jumped out of an airplane this year with my sister. I'll link that video if you want to watch it. And that was kind of my big hoorah thing for turning 30 this year. So that was super fun. So yeah, it was like one of my very few like vlogs on my channel. So that was a lot of fun. I also celebrated with a friend of mine. And because we actually, our birthdays are a day apart. We both turned 30 this year, so that was fun. Aww. I can see that it's pink. And this is a book. We were supposed to send a book. So we'll see what book my channel sent me. Look how pretty this is. Got sparkles. Pretty in pink. Got pretty rose washing tape. Washi tape, not Washington. Aww. Oh wow. Joey and Rory, the singer and the song. Best of Joey and Rory. I remember hearing about their story, but I've never really listened to their music, so this will be beautiful. Aww. Yeah, beautiful story. And then I got a bookmark with a cross on it. That is so pretty, and I love books, so that'll be awesome. And then, oh wow! Aw, Once Upon a Farm, Lessons on Growing, Love, Life, I Hope, aw, on a New Frontier. Wow, he wrote a book after his wife passed away. Oh, that's beautiful. Thank you. So now I have my bookmark to go with my book, and I can listen to their songs. How precious. And then I have a card. Let's see what the card says. Oh, it's so cute. And oh, the flower. Sending a little sunshine your way. I hope you enjoyed the book and CD I picked out for you. Oh, and the bookmark. Hope you're well. Love your secret channel. Thank you. This is going to be super fun. How beautiful. I really appreciate the thought. Okay, so be sure to check out the links in the description box to watch all the other ladies' videos. And now I just wanted to take a minute since these videos seem to be really short. I thought I would also just kind of update you on where I've been, what's been going on in my life, why I haven't been posting very often. I think I've been posting every 7 to 10 days or something like that, and I have several videos recorded, but I've had a few things going on in my life. So for one thing, my son is 3 and he broke his arm, And if you follow me on Instagram, you already know this. If you're not following me, you should follow me here. But yeah, we were just walking around at my parents' house, and he tripped over something, landed on his arm, I think on top of something. So it's been a process. We've been, going to the doctor, and he had to have a cast for 4 weeks, and then he had to have it removed, and now he has just like a brace that he has to wear most of the day. And so that's just kind of limited my kids on their ability to play outside. And a lot of times when I do things, they're playing outside and entertained, and usually they sleep really well because of all the sunshine that they get during the day. And lately, they had to stay inside for a lot of the time because it was so hot outside, like 95 degrees just about every day. And I didn't want him being all sweaty in his cast, plus there's dirt outside, and so I didn't want him getting lots of dirt out in his cast. And then, so for the first 2 weeks, they didn't play outside, like barely at all. And then the third week, I let them play out because it was a little bit cooler, but he got some dirt in his cast. And so I was like, no. So the fourth week, they played outside again. So that just like limited my time to be able to do things on the internet. And also, I started a new workout program that I wanted to do. Is an 80-day program, and I've been wanting to find something just to kind of like get my energy out and like have something active to do, and it just makes me feel really good to exercise and move my body. So I started this 80-day program, but it was 6 days a week, and it was a half hour to an hour every session. And so that was like a big commitment, and I decided I was like, I'm gonna start this, and I want to see it to finish, but that really took a lot of my time. And so I didn't have as much time to do computer things and all that stuff. And also, my husband has been working from home more for the company that he works for. And so that just kind of changes the dynamic during the day, and you wind up, doing more things together, which is great and fun, but you do have less time for yourself. So I finished my program, my 80-day program, and now I'm doing a program that's only 4 days a week, and it's only like 30 to 40 minutes a day. So totally excited about that, and it's super hardcore, so I definitely feel like I'm still getting my energy out and getting that good like mental clarity from that good sweat session. But I have a little more time. I have 3 days a week where I'm not having to do any of that, and my son is now in a brace, not a cast, so they can go outside and play. And we're getting more into a better rhythm and routine now, and so I am excited to. I've been having like a couple of sessions where I could film a few videos, and I've been doing more sit-down videos, more just sharing my thoughts and like tips and things that I've learned, or things that I'm passionate about and want to share, or maybe that I think will be helpful to you guys. And I also have been working on doing like an email newsletter once a week, and doing more printables and just things that hopefully, as I share things that have helped me just to kind of establish routines in my life, things that help me keep my house more clean during the week with 3 kids and homeschooling and all that stuff. So I just wanted to kind of create some printables, things that I could give away for free, and have y'all join my email newsletter, and just kind of have that method of communication. I've seen different people like lose their Instagram account out of the blue. They just get locked out all of a sudden, and all these different things have been happening. And I really would just love to have an email communication with y'all, and really be able to share what I'm doing that way, and kind of share the different things that I'm talking about on the different social platforms, and just kind of have a cohesive place to bring all those things and kind of talk about what I'm thinking about that week, and like encouragement and scriptures and pictures and like all that sort of thing. So that's what I've been working on as I've been kind of taking a step back for a season. And I feel like with the new year, I really am looking forward to kind of having things more planned out, and just really think about what my message is, and the things that I'm passionate about, and what I really want to share here. And I'm excited about it. I think 2019 is going to be an awesome year. I'm so glad that you're here. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would love for you to subscribe, because I'm really looking forward to this coming year. And I feel like things are just going to become more clear as we go. And I'm really going to be able to put out some content that I'm passionate about, that I really believe in, that I believe will be helpful or encouraging or entertaining or inspiring or something, and things that have helped me along my motherhood journey and learning more about homeschooling. And also I've been doing some videos with my mom, which I can link in the cards as well, and just getting her wisdom and perspective on homeschooling and motherhood and all that sort of thing. So if that sounds like fun, be sure to subscribe, like this video if you liked it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!